In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a holiday ornament on Printify. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. Creating custom holiday ornaments is a fantastic way to bring a personal touch to your festivities or to create something special for your loved ones. Printify offers a seamless platform to design and order your unique ornaments, and I'm going to walk you through each step so you can create something truly special. First things first, you'll need to start by visiting the Printify website. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up. It's quick and easy. Just enter your email, choose a password, and you'll be good to go. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your Printify dashboard. The next step is to navigate to the product catalog. You'll see a variety of products to choose from, but we're focusing on holiday ornaments today. So go ahead and find the search bar at the top of the page and type in Ornament. You should see several options popping up, including different shapes and materials. Pick one that resonates with your vision. Whether you're looking for a classic round ornament or something a bit more unique, there's something for everyone. Once you've selected your ornament, click on the product to start creating your design. Now you're going to be taken to the product customization page. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll see a preview of your ornament, and it's time to add your creative touch. To create your design, you'll have options to upload an image, add text, or even use graphics from Printify's library. If you have a specific image in mind, like a family photo or a festive graphic, click on the Upload button and select the file from your device. Make sure your image is high quality to produce the best print results. A pixelated image can be quite disappointing. If you prefer to add text, simply choose the text tool. It's super user-friendly. You can pick your font style, size, and color. Don't hold back. Get a little creative. Maybe you want to write a family name or the year, something that makes it memorable. Just remember to position it nicely on your ornament so it looks balanced and appealing. As you design, take a moment to regularly check how your creation is coming along in the preview window. This is your chance to really personalize the ornament, so don't rush. Let your imagination flow. Once you are satisfied with your design, it's time to move on to the next step. Click Proceed to Next Step. Here, you'll have the opportunity to select the quantity of ornaments you want to order. If you're planning on gifting several ornaments or decorating your whole tree, now is the time to maximize your order. After you've decided on how many you want, click Add to Cart. You can either keep browsing to create more products or head straight to checkout. If you opt for checkout, this is where Printify will ask for your shipping information and payment details. Now, before you finalize your order, it's really important to double-check everything. Review your shipping address and ensure the order summary looks correct. Taking that extra minute can save you from potential headaches later. After confirming all your information, go ahead and place the order. Congratulations! You just created your very own holiday ornament. Soon, your custom ornament will be on its way to you, perfect for your holiday tree or as a heartfelt gift to family and friends. And there you have it. That's how you create a holiday ornament on Printify. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. If you create something wonderful, feel free to share it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tutorials like this one. Happy holidays!